This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Spring Carlisle car auction. No reserve car auction. We're checking out this 57 Devin. Now these were kit cars which you could put just about anything into. They're based off of Triumph, whatever you wanted. They're really intriguing. You see quite a few of these around. They have some wild drivetrains, from very simple to really insane. This particular one, 96-inch wheelbase, 60-inch tread, frame is 55 Chevy, lightning the cross members and added cross members. He made it lighter and added cross members. I can't talk right now. Sorry, folks. He's got a 55 Chevy V8 in there, which is kind of neat. He's got the what's he have there? Oh, okay. He's got the 55 Chevy rear with 4 trailing arms, Watts linkage, QA1 coilovers, and sway bar. 4.11 ratio posi, and let's see, air-cooled 55 drum brakes, rack and pinion 2.5 turns lock to lock. I'm sorry, 58 Chevy 283, bumped 60 over with a Dontoff cam, solid lifters, has reworked aluminum bell housing, 11-inch flywheel, aluminum housing, T10 4-speed Borg Warner, aluminum drive shaft, intake manifold is the Elbrock, 3x2, modified for increased airflow with cold air through a can filter, Mallory ProMaster coil with electronic trigger, through 440 copper, solid copper wires. Oh, it goes right on through. Everything is light, really cool. This is one hell of a performance car because it's all fiberglass, very light. Yes, it is American. If you look in the back of your Popular Science, Popular Mechanics, Road and Track and all that, you'll see advertisements for Devin. And again, these were built any which way you wanted because they were kits. Everything from a mild 4-cylinder, and yes, it would move with a 4-cylinder because it's so light, on through to monster V8s. What a little sweetheart. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.